Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to make a private Discord server. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Discord. After that you need to click on this plus. Here we need to click create my own. For example, I want to create for me and my friends. And here you can enter name of your channel. Type and click create server. You can upload avatar of server too. Click create server. And now you can share a link with your friends. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.